Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Spencer County in southwestern Indiana, northeastern Davis County in northwestern Kentucky until 6:15 p.m. At 5:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Owensboro, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Owensboro, Rockport, Grandview, Masonville, and Whiteman. This includes Interstate 165 between mile marker 66 and 70. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following county: Spencer, Indiana, and Davis, Kentucky. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized